Have you ever been hurt by someone's words or actions? Maybe they betrayed your trust, spread lies, or tried to bring you down. The natural urge is to fight back, to defend yourself, or to seek revenge. But what if the smartest way to destroy those who hurt you is not with words or anger, but with silence and strength? Stoic philosophy teaches us that true power is quiet. Marcus Aurelius wrote, "The best revenge is to be unlike him who performed the injury." Instead of reacting, the Stoic path is to rise above, to become unshakable, and to let your actions speak louder than any words. Today, we'll explore the Stoic way to defeat those who hurt you without saying a word. 1. Master your emotions. The first step is to control your own reactions. When someone hurts you, your emotions can take over anger, sadness, or the urge to retaliate. But the Stoics remind us, you are not your emotions. Epictetus said, "It's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters." Take a deep breath. Pause before you respond. Let the storm pass inside you. When you master your emotions, you become untouchable. The person who hurts you loses their power over you. 2. Set boundaries without drama. You don't need to announce your boundaries or make a scene. Simply distance yourself from those who bring negativity. Seneca wrote, "Associate with people who are likely to improve you." If someone is toxic, quietly remove them from your circle. No need for confrontation. Your absence is enough. When you stop giving attention to those who hurt you, you take away their influence. Your silence is your shield. 3. Focus on your own growth. The best revenge is to live well. Pour your energy into your own goals, health, and happiness. Let your success be the answer to those who doubted or hurt you. Marcus Aurelius said, "Waste no more time arguing what a good man should be. Be one." When you rise above, you show that their actions cannot stop you. Your progress is proof of your strength. For respond with kindness or indifference. Nothing confuses or frustrates a toxic person more than your calm. If you must interact, respond with politeness or indifference. Don't let them see you rattled. Epictetus taught, "He who laughs at himself never runs out of things to laugh at." Kindness is not weakness, it's power. Indifference is not coldness, control. When you refuse to react, you show that you are above their games. 5. Let time reveal the truth. You don't need to defend yourself or seek revenge. In time, the truth always comes out. People reveal their character through their actions. Trust that those who hurt you will face the consequences of their own choices. Focus on your own path. Let your integrity and calm speak for you. The Stoic way is to let time and truth do the work. The smartest way to destroy those who hurt you is not with anger, words, or revenge, but with silence, self-mastery, and unbreakable strength. Protect your peace. Set your boundaries. Focus on your growth. And let your calm be your power. If you found value in this video, subscribe for more Stoic wisdom and self-mastery. Your journey to silent power starts now.